Hello, this is Founder from the Shenzhen Weifeng Optoelectronic, and let's go to the exhibition hall to introduce the samples to you. Okay, follow me. For this is the Magic Cube LED screen, and the module size is the P3.91, and the technical size is the 500 to 500, and this is often used in the bar and other entertainment and etc. This is a button, you can click it and the Magic Cube LED screen can rotate. And for the next one, this is like a ball. The shape is like a ball, and the module is the soft module. It is flexible and it can shoot the curved buildings and according to the architectural designing. And this can customize. It often used some big market and other places and etc. For this is the Taxi 12 LED screen. The module size is the P2.5. And for this is the 960, and this is the 320. And you can put it in your Taxi 12 LED screen. If you can put it, it will attract some people to take to your taxi, and you can earn so many money in your pocket. And for this is the COB effect, and this module size is the small pixel pitch, and it is the P1.86, and it often used in some meeting, and it can put some PPT and other content. It often easy and it's convenient in some meeting. So if you need it, please comment us and to have this quotation. Okay, let's come to the next one. This is the dance floor LED screen, and the module size is the P3.91. You can stand it to have a play, just like this. Okay, let's go to the next one. The screen stick on the wall is the transparent screen, and the transparent screen is P3.91 to the 7.82, and this is the transparent screen. The LED shape you can customize, and if you need it, and this is very convenient because you can your hand to in the back of the transparent screen, and this is often used some big market to put the back of the window. Okay, the exhibition hall room is finished. This I introduced to you is the samples. So let's go to the SMT to know the production process of the LED. This is our SMT. So for this one, just the data is we added the view. So today. Okay, you can see for this one, this is to the solar paste on the front side, and the left side is to attach the left switch in the module. And after this machine is the same as this machine to attach the left switch to this module. And after that, the module will do the restorer soldering which makes as the oven to driving it. Its equivalent is driving to it. After this workshop, it will do the worker to testing the lamps. And it is testing the advanced. So the worker to put it and you can see this the worker to put the signal port and the power port to testing the lamp. in this. So if it is the outdoor, we will choose the workshop to the next step. For the outdoor modules, it will to paint the pre-proof paint like this, which names as the dust-proof and waterproof and salt-free, because we are afraid that some countries are close to the site. At the same time, the worker will test the module. Okay, the next step is the module will drive the screw and fix the module. So the worker fully tests the module, the lamp, and it is the worse or better. Try it because this has painted some through the paint, so it should be to dry it. You can see the worker take the mask to put it on the modules. And you can see the machine is to put the screws on the masks. The effect it is to fix the module and fix the button case. Then it will turn the worker to test the module. When this testing module is over, we will go to the agent shop to have our agent. You can see this module are agent. So after that, we will go to our indoor workshop to see the indoor module. So this is our indoor workshop. Just I offer that the indoor module will finish in that SMT. So the indoor module will take to this. You can see the worker drive the screws to fix the module. Let's go to our assembly workshop to see the module and the cabinet to make for one. Okay, for this room, this is the assembly shop. You can see the work is to put the power to take the power and after that they will put the power and receiving card and modules for the one. These are the whole wall module for cabinet. after this step, we will go to the full screen to have an agent of this tablet and the you can see this is our full screen. In this places, this tablet will get the agent. And when each agent over, it will be packaged. And for this cabinet, this is the rental. For this is for rental, and it can be installed easily and detached easily. And after this rental cabinet will package in this like case. And for this is Hollywood case, and for this it will be packaged with the iron cabinet. So that's all. The whole process is over, and the production and the package and it will be shipped. The whole process is over. That's all. Thank you.